friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by for another card share in my little collab with Teresa of Fresh and Renewed with Teresa, our final farewell to summer collab. We are sharing summer cards all through the month of August on Wednesdays. So let's get on to the products that I used. I started with this, I guess I should back up. I have been having the most fun, if you know and you've been following my channel for the last month or so, having one paper pad, one sketch, and one stamp set. And that's what I did with this one. I will pop the sketch up on the screen now, and that is what I used to create my 3 cards. And then I used the Summertime paper pad from Newton's Nook as my paper pad. And the stamp set that I used was this Tides of Love from Newton's Nook. Some super adorable sea creatures, fun sayings. And then I did use the matching dies with that. The other things that I pulled in was the circle frames dies from Newton's Nook and the Newton's Nook's frames and flags dies. And then some glitter dots from Not Too Shabby. All right, and here are my super fun cards for today, for our final farewell to summer. I had so much fun creating these. I love how they turned out. So much fun. All right, let's take a peek at them individually. They all do have glossy accents on them. They all follow that sketch. You octopi my heart. The glossy accents are on this fish and this little heart over there. The glitter dots are there, and then I stamped that and decorated the inside. So cute, so fun. Next up was You Are Turtly Awesome. Again, the glossy accents are on the fish and on his shell. Glitter dots are there, and there's the inside. And then the last one, I Will Always Love You. Glossy accents are on him, on the hearts and the fish. Glitter dots are there, and there's the inside. So there are my 3 cards, all using the same stamp set, the same sketch, and the same paper pad. I absolutely love creating cards this way. I think it might be my thing coming up. But anyways, those are my cards for today. Everything is in the description box below. Make sure you hop on over and see what Teresa created today. And until my next video, thanks so much for stopping by. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.